Hey everyone! So, is your Xero dashboard not loading? Maybe the page keeps spinning, parts of the dashboard are blank, or data isn't showing up. Yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially if you rely on Xero to track invoices and accounts daily. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Xero dashboard not loading problem in 2026, and most of these solutions only take a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent network can prevent Xero from loading dashboard data properly. Old cache and cookies can cause dashboard issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then refresh Xero. Try opening Xero in another browser or use incognito mode. Sometimes extensions or browser settings block parts of the dashboard from loading. Sometimes the issue is on Xero's side. Visit Xero's status page to see if there are ongoing outages or maintenance affecting dashboards. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off. Certain connections may block dashboard data from loading. Make sure your browser is up to date. Also, disable extensions that might interfere with Xero, like ad blockers or script blockers. If none of the above works, contact Xero support. They can help troubleshoot account-specific issues and get your dashboard back to normal. And that's it. Most Xero dashboard loading problems can be fixed by checking your internet connection, clearing cache, or trying a different browser. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.